All right, guys. So welcome to a short travel video. So I had one of my agents ask, "Hey, Tyra, can you give us a quick video on how to do a Facebook ad?" So today we're going to talk about doing a quick Facebook ad, and it's also called boosting a post. So boosting a Facebook post let's do this in under 10 minutes, and I believe that we can get it done. So let me just jump right in here, okay? All right. So of course, you're going to start on Facebook. So what you're going to do is you're going to find the post that you want to boost. You can boost an event or you can boost an actual post. So to be honest, I'm trying to choose between the event and the Facebook post for it. In all honesty, sometimes I've heard that it's better to boost a Facebook event, but today I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to boost my Facebook post, okay? And so this is for our New York group trip that we got coming up. Field trip that we got coming up. It's like a weekend trip. So let me do this. So right now I'm just trying to get the verbiage together as to what I want to post. And I'm just going to have it already here because it's going to ask me for like a title. All right, so we got that there. All right, so let me show you this, okay? So when you're boosting stuff, you need to have a strategy already ready, okay? So if I'm going to be boosting this, of course, I want people to go ahead and start booking into this field trip, all right? So you need to have that already set up. You need to have your links already set up. So for me personally, whenever somebody clicks on the link, they should automatically come right here to the field trip page, okay? So this is the field trip information page, okay? And so it's going to tell them what's included, what's not included, land only calls, all that good stuff right there. But what's most important is right here, you need to have some kind of form for them to go into your email sequence. Y'all don't know what I'm talking about my email sequence. It may be a little bit advanced, but you do need to have something set up. So you don't need, if you don't have a website, set up a landing page on MailChimp and, create a subscribe button. But whatever you do, you need to get them into your email marketing system, okay? And so I got two different things. So, when they click here, they automatically come over into my email marketing system here. And then so this is like my workflow. My workflow and this is super advanced. I want to stress this. You guys starting out, y'all won't be doing this, but this is what you need to come to eventually. This is what you need to get to some kind of sequence, okay? And so whenever they click this button right here, to become a VIP, they're going to automatically get a tag added. Then after that tag, it's going to wait a minute, and then over here, it's going to come over, and then they're going to get this email. Let me see. They're going to automatically get an email. Let's see. Okay, they're going to get an email. I can't show it to you guys right now, but they're going to get an email, right? And then so my system's going to wait another day, and then it's going to send them, the second email. We'll wait another day, send them the third email, and then, eventually towards the end of it, they're going to get my regular tag, and then they're going to be, part of a part of my regular audience. And so that is a whole nother different sequence. And so this is kind of sort of what it would look like. So let's look at this Japan. So 39 people. I pre-launched. So I didn't necessarily pre-launch this group trip, but I did pre-launch it. And so take a peek at this. I also pre-launched this one here, around similar time. And I noticed that, what was gaining more traction. So, when you have a sequence or something like some kind of email marketing plan, you'll be able to see what you should be taking serious, if that makes sense. All right. So that's enough about, being able to start sequencing people or have a tag or something like that added to them. Nonetheless, step number one is you need to have a Facebook landing page for them to come to. You can do that 100% free over on MailChimp if you have an audience, I believe, of less than 500, if I'm not mistaken. Well, I believe that's what the free account is. When they click on the button, they should automatically be going into your trip, whatever it is that you're trying to boost. And, if they can get an email from that, automatically have your system be set up for an email automatically. And if not, on a weekly basis, you can go ahead and email them if that makes sense. All right. So let's do this. So I'm over here on the post, And so this is the boost button right here. I'm just going to press boost post. All right. So over here, it's going to ask you what's your goal. My goal is to get more people to visit the website so that they can go into the email sequence. So you go right there. All right. This is the what you call it. All right. So I'm gonna visit the website. Okay. And then over here it's asking for what's the headline. Remember, I already copied it. So crap. Controls. Why won't it let it be? I need it to be. Let's see. All right. Let's do. Let's see. $54. Maybe I can even put an emoji there, but it's okay. Moms, let's do New York. 754. Okay. All right, and then I can do the sign up button or the learn more button, and then it's asking me what's the website. So I have all of it pasted here just so I don't mess up. There we go. All right. Let me make sure it's looking 104. I don't really like how this looks, but whatever. They changed up example 104. Let's see. And this is just showing how it's going to look. All right, so let's keep going. All right, sign up, and then I got my link in there. Leverage Facebook. Okay, we're going to keep that in there. And then this is important, y'all. Look, audience. Y'all try out different audiences, but what I found, what kind of works for me is, of course, doing the United States, right? And then so for me, it's not all, I'm women, okay? Women between the ages of, my moms are usually about 30 years old, 30 to 55. Because, you know, they're usually bringing their kids with them. All right. So women 30 to 55. All right. Detailed targeting. I mean, you can play around with that if you want to, but, you know, I'm not. Right. And then so right here it tells me the estimate amount of audience size. So I'm going to hit save audience. So you could just play around with that stuff, you know. So we got that. And then let's see how many days do we run. Let's run this thing for 30 days. And I'm looking at right here, the 1.74 reach per day. So let's say 30 days. All right. And then, yep. And then the amount, let's do $30. Like $1 a day. Y'all play around with it, but this is, you know, what I found to have worked. All right, so $30, 30 days, $1 a day. Well, hey, if y'all got more, then shoot, by all means. And then, of course, if you have a Pixels, I have a Pixels, but I don't even know what's going on with that. So we just gonna skip that, okay? And then so let me put the payment information in there. Give me a second. All right, almost there. All right, you know what? Give me a second. I want to put, this is advertisement. So for me, it's this business. So trying to make sure I got the right account set up. So give me a quick second. Logging into my account. Come on, come on. Almost there, you guys. Nope, I don't want to pay it that way. I would like to pay. Oh, come on. All right, I'm almost there. And I do like how they have different methods of payment there. All right, so agree and continue. All right, I'm getting ready to share it. All right, so of course, like I was saying before, if you guys have a Pixels account, make sure that that is in there. So let's hit publish. So let's look at it again. We got moms. Let's do New York. I wish I could put more. I don't know why it's limiting me, but nonetheless, the whole entire post is already here. And then let's just boost this thing. Publish. Right, and then that is it. That's it. Well, you know what? Let me do this. Give me a second. Make sure there's nothing confidential in there. I'm going to show you guys if I can. All right, so this is it right here. View ad. Oh, I need to change this. Oh, I got to change this. Actually, yeah, let's change this. It says $30 a day times what you call it. So let's cancel this. This is a good one. This is a good one. I boosted it for the wrong amount. So let's, just in case you did what I did, I don't want not $30 a day. Let's see. You add. Oh. Don't be like me and I'm putting the wrong amount. Let me see how I can fix this. Let me do this. I'm gonna go back to that. I'm gonna press the back button, and then I'm gonna probably just click on that. All right, so I'm back over here on my page. And I'm just gonna go to the one that I boosted, and it should allow me to go back in and edit it. Because right now it's under review, so nothing is really happening in all honesty. All right, so right now I'm over here trying to get back to the ad. Coming up, it's coming up. A few more to go right here. All right, so we are here. So let's go back into here. Now press boost post. Probably gonna tell me you already got a post that you boosted. Let's see. All right. You need, okay, right here. It's probably there. Oh, this is good for all of us. Let's see. Okay, now, you know what? Let me log into Meta. Yeah. Should be able to fix what I did. All right, so I figured out where to find it at, you guys. So I logged into Meta, and then so you can actually boost the post from Meta as well. And I probably should have started over here, but Meta is advanced as well. So I tried to start from, where agents probably, that don't have any experience with Meta. So what I'm doing, I'm just coming on over here. And so this is the ad, and then all I got to do is come on down here and take it down to $1. So it says 5,000 to 14,000. All right, so it drops it down to that, which is, I'm okay with that because this is what usually works. And so let's hit save changes. So y'all don't panic, and then make sure this amount is right. So I plan on, using $30 to boost this post. So, all right. So let's see. Okay. So it's currently in review. Get more website visits, $1 per day, 30-day duration. And then, so this is what the ad is going to look like. And so I'm happy with that. So let's click out of that. I'm gonna click on view details. Yep. So, but yeah, that's exactly how you're gonna boost the post through Facebook ads. And remember to just choose United States, choose your audience. Don't limit yourself to well, this is not right. This audience. I'm noticing this is not what I chose before. So audience, my audience was women, and it was 30 to 55, I believe. All right, and then United States. All right, so now, right, so got that correct. You can use something like this if you wanted to, but I just found more success with using just this. People you choose through targeting, yeah, this is way more advanced. With Facebook, you can even upload your contact list, and then you can tell it to choose a copycat audience to that. Okay, so let me save changes, and let me go back in and make sure that it is. Okay, and it even changed that 449 to 1.3 thousand per day at a $30 budget. So that's good. I'm happy with that. So let me go out. It still did that. I don't know why I did that. Let me see. Let me go out and then go to view details. As long as I know that, I'll look at it. Audience 18 to 65. I don't know why it's not. Maybe because it's not boosted yet. I've never noticed that it did that, but I've changed it twice. And audience, yep. Women. I've changed it. So yeah, I'm pretty sure that because it's still in review, this is why it's doing this. And of course, you're going to get the audience that you ask for. Let's see. Now let's save audience. All right. Make sure I'm not forgetting something. Okay, we just got that selected. All right. Choose on ad will end. All right. Okay. All right. I'm going to save changes. All right. So yeah, just check them out. But yeah, that's it. I really, really hope that you guys enjoyed this short travel video. It's supposed to be 10 minutes, but hopefully it was. And I will talk to you guys soon. Bye.